What up, peeps? Today, I'm going to talk about how cheap deer hunting can be to get into. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get into it. It's a great hobby. I know a lot of us have very, very limited time, and a lot of us also have very, very limited funds to get into something new. Well, I'm going to post this video, and everything in the detail in the video description is going to be basic startup equipment that I recommend, and it's very low priced. It's all from Amazon, and it's all you need really, besides clothes and a weapon and your license. I'll get into clothes later. I'm not going to get into weapons. It's just too touchy of a subject on social media. So my thing is equipment, and I really want to focus on, like I said, the beginner guys that are like, okay, what do I start up with? I'm borrowing this stand from my buddy, and I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and just give you some ideas from right from Amazon, man, to how to get into deer hunting. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to read the description down below. That's where all the links are going to be for some of the a lot of equipment, startup equipment that I recommend, or I probably used some of that stuff. So check it out, man. Thanks for watching, and as usual, subscribe and like to the book side. Peace.